Welcome back to my channel. This is DT DailyTech, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Moto G Play. This is one of the newer ones. First, make sure that the phone is powered off. Locate the volume up, down, power button. For this phone you would need to press both volume down and the power button. First, make sure that the phone is powered off. Volume down, power button. Once you see this screen, remove your finger off of the power button. Scroll down to recovery mode. Press the power button to select it. Once you see this screen, press and hold the power button. Tap the volume up. It will take you to the next screen. Scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Factory data reset. As you can see, it's wiping it. Confirm. Once the phone powers back on, it will be back to the factory settings. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.